What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm going to be building my ultimate toolbox setup. Some of you might say, hey, Vince, it's not big enough to be the ultimate toolbox setup. That's the thing. This is my ultimate toolbox setup. I'm excited about it. It's super sturdy from Craftsman. This is stuff that I talk about all the time, and I was shocked to find it on Lowe's.com for $249. Literally everyone that's seen this box in such a short amount of time that I've had it says, wow, I thought maybe a box like that would be for $500. And I have to agree. I'm so excited about the box because it's exactly what I need. A compact box on wheels that I could organize, most importantly, that I could roll out these doors. See, a big giant toolbox for me is useless in this space because my vehicles need to be outside. So I want to have my go-to box with my go-to tools set up so I could roll it out there and service my vehicles. Beautiful part about this box is that it has all kind of features just like the big boys or the bigger boxes. We got a slow close top and slow open top, right? We have organization inside the box on both sides. You can see, if I want, I could put stuff like screwdrivers, or I could put even larger items that pass through. Now, for me, the box is going to be a work in progress. I'll be able to take the box, use it, situate it for exactly what I need, and over time, it will grow into the ultimate rolling workstation. I really like that this box includes drawer liners. It will make the surface inside the box non-slip so that when you do open and close these drawers, stuff won't go rolling around. As you can see, another reason why I love this box so much, I had to walk off and go get this heat gun. I have to walk over, get my screwdriver. Everything will be in one central location instead of spread out throughout my workshop. Once we get a little weight on there, those liners will stay in place. Even has a nice little liner for the bottom there. A lot of you know that I'm a big fan of the 12-volt tools. They're compact, lightweight. We have our DeWalt's here. Now, we can put them here in this lower drawer. If we close our lid, we have a little lock here. We've locked our top, but we've also locked our drawers. People will need to ask you permission to borrow your tools. And when you come back to your mobile workstation, everything will be right where you left it. Another great part about this box in particular is that not only do the drawers have a 100-pound weight capacity, they have ball bearing slides as well as slow close. So you don't have to worry about those drawers closing and slamming. And with that slow close, in addition to the non-slip liners in here, everything's going to stay relatively in place. I mean, if you really slam it, yeah, you might get some movement, but kind of want to fit this out the way I'm going to use it. We have a pair of snap ring pliers from Klein. These are a 6-in-1, so they're going to be able to do multiple tasks. You can see we have our curved head, our slanted heads, we have our straights. I really do get a little apprehensive about taking stuff out of the package when I don't have the proper place for it, especially when it comes with additional pieces, because a lot of times those additional pieces, there's a high likelihood they'll go missing. I think the perfect spot for like larger jugs, motor oils, antifreezes, coolants, probably under here. It's a bigger spot. But if you wanted to, you could probably even store things like jack stands under here. The best part is that we're getting stuff from all over the shop. We're putting it into one mobile workstation that we could virtually bring to anywhere we need it within our workspaces. I think with our drivers and impacts, resituate this. So we have our drivers and our impacts. We have some bits here. We have some universal adapters that we can use in here. Now they might roll around a little bit. I'm probably going to get myself a little circular magnetic dish. This way, some of these other attachments, they won't go flying around too much. In addition to these adapters, we have this set of standard nut extractors. This has a 1/4x3/8 adapter on it. This will sit nicely in here. And as I continue to use this box, I'm sure this empty space will fill in with the stuff that's most useful for me here. We're gonna move up, and I want to organize some of our sockets. These are a deep thin wall socket. They have their adapter with them. And these are a spline drive. So we can get these, set them real nice and visible so we can see what we have here, keep it organized. We already have our shallow spline drives with our adapter, that's metric. So we have our larger standard sizes in 1/2 inch. So now we're organized for our drill and drivers. We have our sockets. We have hand tools up here. And we have room for expansion. Plenty of room for expansion. Another thing that I like about this box, in addition to the handle, we have space for the stuff like solvents, lubricants. So you're able to keep all of that organized as well. On the side, we have a nice little hook here, or a wrap for our power strip. We're able to plug that in to power it. You can see we have an on and off switch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outlets. 5 of them are standard. One's for a dongle or wall wart style. And then we have some USB power here as well. So you could power smart devices from this strip, which will be very handy. If you have a shop radio, maybe you put your Bluetooth speaker here, you're able to power your smart device so it doesn't go dead. We have some peg over here if you wanted to hang little peg hooks as well. This worktop here, if you wanted, you could probably put some larger power tools, hand tools, even chargers and batteries up here. I think another thing that I really like that a lot of people might gloss over are the casters. These are large caster wheels that have locks. You can see it'll keep it from rolling away if you're on uneven ground. The reason the casters are so important is I could literally spin this around, open these doors, come outside, and go to work on my vehicles because I sure can't bring them through here. This is one more tool that's going to end up in this box and not leave because I won't have to go running around. You can see here we're approximately 30 and 3/16 of an inch wide here at the top. Chest, or part of the box, has a depth of 5 3/4 inches by 20.5 inches deep. Each of the top drawers are approximately 25 inches wide by 18 5/8 deep. Each drawer is, it looks to be 13/16, 1 13/16 high. Now the deepest drawer here at the bottom, same dimensions, depth and width, but this one is actually, looks to be 3 7/8 of an inch deep. And the bottom for storage, 14 7/8 of an inch as well, 14 7/8. Everything all in one place. It's pretty much why I'm so excited. It's also got a 10-year warranty. You can check the pricing down in the YouTube shopping button. I'm gonna peel this thing off because this one's mine. But if you wanted one for yourself, you can go on down there and check it out. With that, I wanna say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. Hope to see you all on the next one.